Okay, this is not linked to me in any way, but I discovered this a little while ago and I have been using it ever since. I use it for in class, I use it to post review for students. It's fantastic. I love that it's searchable and easily editable. Okay, is editable a word? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to search for my next topic in anatomy is the integumentary system. So I'm going to search for integumentary system and I'm going to scroll down. I'm looking for now notice there's 10,000 games. That's a lot. So I'm going to look for ones that are the standard 25. Okay, this one has a lot. Okay, if you see when I click on it, it's going to give me a preview of it. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one as this one looks. Okay, this one looks relatively good. Again, you decide which one you want to start with. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to get pulled up to this menu right away where you can click Teams and get started. Okay, so let's just show, for example, if I was going to do one team, let's just say we'll do 2 teams and start. Real simple. So somebody picks accessory structures for 100, 2 accessory structures. Now up here are the instructions, and for correct response, you either press the spacebar or click here, and to continue you press this. So you give students a chance to answer, and then somebody does. Here's the right answer. Now if they got it right, you're going to click the green plus. Okay, and the right point value gets added. So now I'm going to go back and say somebody picks this one, and it was team 2 this time, and they got the wrong answer. So you click this, and you can see the correct point value. All right, and you're going to keep going like this, and it's fantastic. Notice the ones we've used are grayed out. Easy way to keep track of score. Like this is a huge time saver, both in and out of the classroom if you're virtual. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to that menu, and what I want to do is edit. Okay, now if you don't have an account, it's going to tell you to create a password just so you can get back to your version. Okay, and say I did not cover this question. Okay, what place the precursor is modified in vitamin D production. Say I didn't cover that question. Okay, and I want to swap it out for a different question. I simply type in a new question, type in the new response. It's that simple. Do that for as many questions as you want. Swap them out, edit them. Okay, if you decide, wow, this $300 level, should be the 500. You can do this. Take this and drag it down and move that whole level down. Okay, or back up. You can add a row. You can add a column. I like to keep mine at the standard Jeopardy format. Okay, which is just the 25 boxes. And then when you're all done, you're going to click Save and Finish. Okay, now you're going to have this menu again, and you have some options. Okay, we're a Schoology school, so one way is to click this link. Okay, so let me show you. Let me go into my practice course here and show you. So I'm going to add a material, and I'm just going to add a page. Okay, it's not an assignment, so we'll just call this Jeopardy practice. And what I can do is just go down here and click the link. Okay, and Jeopardy practice game, attach it. Now, what I also like to do is give students the opportunity to play the game as practice by themselves. So this would open up the game where you keep score, but I like to post it also as a review. So watch, here you click embed. It's going to give you this embed code. You just need to copy it. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and go back to Schoology. And all I did here, let me move this. Here's what it looks like at first. I'm going to click over here and switch to HTML, and then I'm going to paste this in here. When I do that, okay, and I click on Jeopardy practice, look, I have literally it built in as review right here. Students simply do not have to leave Schoology. here is the link. If you click on this, here is the link straight to the game. Okay, so this is absolutely a fantastic way for students to practice on their own, in a way that's a little different setup than some other things that I'm doing like Quizlet and quizzes and other stuff. It's just another option, and it's actually ridiculously easy to create.